Hi viewers, how are you? Alright, today we are going to Royal National Park. This is one of the very best places in Sydney. If you are looking for a picnic point and if you are visiting Sydney, I will highly recommend you to visit Royal National Park. It's like 45 minutes drive from Sydney Airport, and if you are living in southwest suburbs in Sydney, it's going to be like a 1 hour drive from there. Also, when it's like a sunny day, especially in summer, I think that's the best time to go and visit this Royal National Park. Okay, so today I'm going to show you this park and let's see what we have there. Alright, let's explore. So finally I am in a Royal National Park, and this is a very beautiful place. I can see a lot of people are here and they're having a very good family time. And also I can see there's a small place for the wedding events, and I'm going to show you like people are going to having a wedding celebration. Also, for all those who are nature lovers, this is the best place to visit, especially on your vacations. Today is Sunday and I can see it's a little bit busy over here. If you want to plan your trip with somewhere in Sydney, I think Royal National Park is the best place, especially when there's a sunny day. As you can see, this is a very beautiful place, especially when it's a sunny day. So people are enjoying their meal. There's these few restaurants you can find over here. And also it's a very open air area. You can have a picnic over there with your family. And here you can see the people are going to celebrate a wedding. Also there's a small lake here. You can have option to do boating, cycling and other activities. Hello. No, she's acting like
where we sit, and then you can follow them down. Hey, sweetheart. So go up there.
you will also find some people, they ride bikes over here. They come here in groups. So from here you have to go to Wedding Cake Rocks, which is 3.4 kilometer, and then if you are going to Morley Beach, which is 4.4 kilometers. So it's approximately gonna take you, for example, 10 to 15 minutes walk from here. So here we go. It's gonna start from here.
Là, eux, c'est l'inverse. Maintenant, ma mère, elle est en mode, quand on sera vieux, on a envie de...
All right, 10 more minutes and then we will get to our final destination. Let's go. I just came to this point after 20 minutes walk, and it's really worth it if you want to have a very good day. Behind me you can see those scenes, so amazing. I'm gonna show you these views with my drone. All right, just watch it and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.